Strategies. EALD Students Strategy 1. Utilising students' cultural background and understandings. This strategy meets the specific needs of EALD learners, as these students will all have diverse cultures and backgrounds. Incorporating their cultural backgrounds into their learning will make them feel included, enabling them to participate and learn. It also creates an inclusive classroom environment, as it provides learning opportunities for intercultural understanding for the entire class. Strategy 2. Teaching EALD students to use and engage with a variety of different modes beyond verbal and written. This strategy allows EALD students and the rest of the class to find different ways they like to learn and present information. In order to do this effectively, teachers should create multimodal text for students to engage with and create at least one assessment piece giving students a choice on how they would like to present their assessment. Students with a writing impairment. Strategy 1. Think aloud writing. This involves the process of saying aloud what the writer is thinking while completing the writing task. In order for teachers to do this effectively, they should model what effective think aloud questions consist of and encourage think aloud writing in group work. This strategy meets the needs of these learners and creates an inclusive classroom, as it helps all students make meaning of what they are writing, and also helps students who can write well reflect on what they are writing, allowing them to show deeper understanding and critical literacy skills. Strategy 2. Guided writing. The purpose of this strategy is to provide students with explicit and systematic teaching of writing to meet their specific needs. A guided writing session can involve a whole class, small group, or individuals. This strategy meets the needs of students who have a writing impairment, as they are able to get guidance from their teacher as well as engage in different activities that help guide their writing practices. This strategy also helps provide an inclusive classroom, as all students in the classroom would be able to benefit from guided writing, as it strengthens their writing and gets all students on the right track with their writing skills. Students with a visual impairment. Strategy 1. Learning through experience. This is an important educational strategy, as students who are visually impaired will be able to learn and understand content better through physically touching and experiencing. This strategy meets the specific needs of visually impaired students, as they are able to use their other senses to touch, feel, and interact. This strategy is beneficial to all students in an inclusive classroom, as learning through experience is a part of the educational philosophy of pragmatism. This theory is evidence-based and is a form of experimental pragmatism. Experimental pragmatism believes education should provide real-life experiences. Strategy 2. Using assistive technology. In order to effectively use assistive technology in the classroom, teachers should use Braille translation software and assistive technology for reading, such as large text size, using lamps to improve lighting, and using electronic magnification aids. This strategy meets the specific needs of these students, as technology enables them to access the same information as other students and reduces the gap of learning. This strategy is also beneficial to all students in an inclusive classroom, as technology is an essential component of our modern society.